Howdy, I'm Ben with Build, and today we're going to be learning about how to spackle and cover up all these little holes from our drills. So what you need is you need a putty knife. You'll see some spackling. I like to take a little bit on my spackle knife, just a little bit. I'll come in with a really shallow angle and I'll smear it in to cover things. Knock off my little bit of throw up. And then at a pretty perpendicular angle, come over and scrape so that it becomes a nice smooth surface. Sometimes you might have to do it twice or even 3 times to cover up everything that you need to. You'll have some holes like this that have a lot of that wood mess, that throw up I like to call it, with the wood. You might need to be able to come in with the knife itself, be able to scrape it off. If you can't, you'll have to come back in, you'll have to sand it down to get things smooth before you can spackle it again. You might also have to come in and have to sand down what you've spackled before, just make sure it's dry before you do so. So come in, sand it down smooth, spackle over it again, wait for it to dry, sand it down smooth again. But if you're able to make it nice and smooth like this, without any of those big lines I was talking about, it's a lot easier for you to sand, and that's all I have for you. I'm Ben with Build, let's go build.